Testing, as you mentioned, continues here this morning, starting at 7 o'clock. You can see by the sign over my shoulder, it is by appointment only. The hope is that up to 400 people will be able to be tested at this site alone on a daily basis. It is open Monday through Saturday. And now that the auto show has officially been canceled, the TCF Center will also be transformed as a new headquarters to fight this pandemic.
Our first and primary focus is on the health and well-being of all of our citizens and visitors.
That means turning the 250,000 square foot TCF Center into a field hospital. What would have housed the latest car models come June will now house some 900 beds to treat COVID-19 patients. It's one of many ways the state is trying to adapt and fight the spread. Michigan and Detroit specifically, one of the nation's hotspots. The old Michigan State Fairgrounds also transformed into the first regional drive-through testing site of its kind, run in collaboration with the city and 3 major health systems in Metro Detroit. And now, with a federal disaster declaration here, Governor Whitmer hopes vital medical equipment will become more available.
Working every angle we can, even with this infusion of N95 masks that we received yesterday. We are going to go through that quickly with the way that these cases are presenting, and that's why we cannot slow down in terms of our efforts to try to get more masks, more gowns, more gloves.
She's also loosened some medical practice restrictions, temporarily allowing PAs and nurses to treat coronavirus patients, as local hospitals are overrun with people sick from this virus. On what would have been opening day, a major public gathering here in Detroit, instead is a somber reminder that this battle is far from over.
It's important that we all understand the severity of the situation. Even if we're coming out of the COVID-19 crisis, we have to be smart about how we congregate again.
There will likely be additional changes made to more public spaces in the city of Detroit as the state and city response to this pandemic evolves. Again, testing here at this regional drive-through site begins again at 7 o'clock this morning. It is by appointment only. There's a phone number you can call if you're interested in making an appointment. That's on our website, WXYZ.com. And again, Governor Whitmer and Mayor Duggan expected to be here at 2:30 this afternoon to give an update on both the city and the state's response to this outbreak. Reporting live this morning, Jen Shantz, 7 Action News.
All right.